Hi, hello. Today we are going to draw the flag of Jordan. It has a star in the left side of the flag. All right. And a triangle, left corner, going towards the middle area. The colors are of three different segments here. On the top, you can see the black part. On the bottom, you can see the green part. Alright, now we're going to fill up the area. So let's start filling up the red parts, the triangle which is of red color. Alright, when we put the color, we try to make it as uniform as possible. Okay, so the red is done. Let's put the green in the bottom. Filling up the whole area with the uniform green color. And the top portion, that's going to be the black color. Let's fill up the spaces on the top with the black color. All right, so the whole flag is complete. You can see the rectangular flag has a small triangle on the left side and divided into three segments. It has three colors, and the black color, you can see white left, and this one is green color, this is red color. This is the flag of Jordan. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select lots of drawings in different categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.